Benefits of mushroom. There are thousands of species of mushrooms, some of which are edible and others are not. Mushrooms are technically neither a vegetable nor a fruit. They are a type of fungus. These are found in so many species. Some are extremely toxic and the other are poisonous. Mushrooms are low in calories, fairly high in protein, and can provide a good source of fiber and many nutrients. Because of this, mushrooms can be considered good for weight loss, diabetes. Increasing consumption of unprocessed foods like mushrooms helps us to decrease the risk of obesity and overall mortality, diabetes, and heart diseases. Selenium is a rich source mineral that is not present in most fruits and vegetables, but it can be found in mushrooms. It also plays a role in liver enzyme function and helps detoxify some cancer-causing compounds in the body. Additionally, selenium prevents inflammation and also decreases tumor growth rates. It helps in type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Mushrooms for weight loss. Obesity can lead to many other incurable diseases. It is good to maintain a healthy weight and lose. It provides lean protein, which is effective for weight loss purpose. They are rich in fiber and contain no cholesterol or fat. Researchers found the mushroom extract changed the gut bacteria in the mice and may hold future promise for helping people fight against obesity. Mushrooms for diabetes. Mushrooms are fat-free and do not contain cholesterol, which is the good news that a diabetes sufferer can hear. It has less carbohydrates that generally increase your blood sugar. Eating mushrooms daily will help you to regulate the blood sugar levels and maintain a healthy body. Mushrooms are helpful to lower glucose and improved lipid levels in diabetic rats with high cholesterol fed with mushrooms. Mushrooms for heart diseases. Fresh mushrooms contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber has been shown to help prevent and manage cardiovascular disease by lowering the levels of total and LDL cholesterol. The fiber, potassium and vitamin C content in mushrooms all contribute to cardiovascular health. Potassium and sodium work together in the body to help regulate blood pressure. Consuming mushrooms, which are high in potassium and low in sodium, helps to lower blood pressure and decrease the risk of high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Mushroom as well as egg has a very good health benefits for weight loss, diabetes. So, we can prepare healthy mushroom snack with combination of egg at home. We need the following ingredients: pepper powder, jeera, mushroom, butter, coriander leaves, capsicum, egg, and crystal salt. Step-by-step procedure. First, switch on the stove and keep a pan on it. Now add butter and melt it for some time. And then add mushrooms and let it fry. Add jeera, capsicum and fry it. And add salt until it changes its color. Take another bowl and break the eggs into it. Then take another pan and heat it and then add butter and let it melt. Then add broken eggs into that pan just to prepare an omelette. And then add mixture of mushroom ingredients on the omelette. Then add pepper powder and coriander leaves into it. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.